Hi, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be looking at some swing trading tips and tricks for at-home beginners. At the end of the video, you should be able to decide whether you're a day trader or a swing trader. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. Okay, so swing traders normally hope to profit in about 5 to 10 days. When you hold a trade for about 2 weeks, you should be able to gain a few wins that will add up to big profits. The only problem is that swing traders have to be aware of the market gapping up higher or lower than it closed the day before. An advantage to swing trading is that you can still trade while having a 9-to-5 job without having to continuously be checking the stock. New traders should begin with swing trading. This is because it runs at a much smoother and slower pace. You don't have to be glued to the screen all day, and you can focus on other things during the day. While you are swing trading, you also get to learn how trades perform and develop during the day. There are many methods to enter the stock market. Swing traders usually wait until the market has confirmed a general direction and then trade with the momentum. Let's go to the next slide. Day traders usually trade the market open when the market is at the fastest due to volatility at the open. This is when stocks move the fastest. These types of traders enjoy the rush and excitement of this type of trading. The stock market opens, they wait for the opportunity to get in, and then they jump out as soon as they have a profit. Okay, next slide. Now we're going to speak about swing trading. Swing trading can last from 2 days to several weeks or even months. Swing trading takes days to see your strategy unfold. You don't have to be on the computer throughout the length of the trade like in day trading. With swing trading, you can still keep your full-time job since you don't have to be constantly checking the trade. Swing trading and day trading have pros and cons. Not one strategy is better than the other. It all depends on the trader's personality and whether he or she is better suited for one or the other. Okay, so I'm going to stop here and ask for you to type in the comments whether you feel you would be a day trader or a swing trader. So right now I'm going to play a review of the puts trade video that I did weeks before, so please stay tuned and we're going to review that video. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you. Okay, so that's all for now. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Let others know what we are doing here at LR Options. See you next video. Thanks.